the entire Key Bridge in the harbor.
News, a catastrophic bridge collapse in Baltimore, and the Maryland governor has just declared a state of emergency.
A bridge in the city of Baltimore has entirely collapsed after being hit by a container ship.
With breaking news, a horrifying scene in Baltimore this morning. The Francis Scott Key Bridge struck by a cargo ship and collapsing overnight.
Also learning new details about the victims of this tragedy, 6 construction workers who were all pursuing the American dream.
On March 26, a day that began like any other, the unthinkable happened. An over 900-foot container ship leaving the port of Baltimore lost power and struck the Francis Scott Key Bridge. A vital artery connecting communities suddenly fell, leaving behind consequences that would in turn ripple throughout the lives of countless individuals in the greater city of Baltimore. Now, about 6 months after this tragedy, it's time to check in on our community, to tell the story of resilience and the strength of Baltimore. We meet a manager of a local business in Pasadena who navigates serving the community in its time of need, a dedicated trucker whose routes have been uprooted, and a college professor who sees at firsthand how her students and her surrounding community are affected by this tragedy.